Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by Traders Lab.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The dollar fell to a more than 1 week low against major currencies in generally thin trading, as investors continue to price in interest rate cuts this year by the Federal Reserve after a widely expected rate increase at next week's policy meeting. Wall Street shuffled to a mixed close, with interest rate-sensitive momentum shares weighing on the Nasdaq and US Treasury yields dipping, as investors braced for a week of high-profile quarterly earnings and closely watched economic data. Asian stock markets were mixed ahead of a US economic update this week that is expected to show growth slowing. US data on Thursday are expected to show first quarter economic growth weakened after interest rate hikes to cool business activity and inflation. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. The US Consumer Confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The US New Home Sales at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index will be released at 1255 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT. New Zealand's exports at 2245 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.